Hey guys, welcome back to the Cristina Moda channel. I'm back today with the CEO, Dario. So today we're just gonna unbox everything that we currently have in the store right now to just show you guys. It's pretty exciting. We like unboxing the bags here. So.
Yeah, the bags that came with boxes. That's
yeah,
what,
so
it's kind of fun.
Yeah, we have plenty of bags, as you can see. A lot of them don't come with boxes, but we sometimes get ones that do. So we'll go ahead and share them with you guys now.
Yes.
Here's the CEO. You want to start us off? Just kidding.
Let's start with this one.
We'll start with
this one.
This one. This one's not a bag. It's actually a leather-bound journal. So it says journal on the front. Hopefully you can see it well on video. But it's just a leather-bound journal.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's blank on the inside. It's got like lined blank pages and some kind of informational pages. It's got a map and like a little ribbon bookmark here.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and it's got the Coach cartouche on the
color?
back. Oh, it's brown.
Brown color.
Like I mentioned, it has the word Coach here. I mean, not
journal.
Coach, journal on the front. Yeah, and
Great.
it comes with a little box.
Yep.
The box has a little bit of wear, but nothing crazy.
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So here, we'll start with a small bag. So we'll see what we got here.
What is it? Everett?
Do you know what it is? Yeah, Everett Bag. So
Everett
this
bag.
is a crossbody bag. It's got the hang tag and the price tag here attached to the strap. Yeah, so.
What color?
I think it's navy.
Navy. Okay,
Yeah,
great,
navy.
beautiful.
Yep, NAV, navy. So thank you, Dario. Will box that up for me. Thank you, Dario. Okay, so now we'll start with the next smallest. This one. It's got some tissue paper. This is a tourist pouch. I think they also called it a passport hipster at one point.
What color?
I think it's also, is it black or navy? Black. It's got a crossbody strap here. It's tucked on the inside, but yeah, you put your passport in there, and then it's also, yeah, I guess I'll just take this out. It's got the little booklet in there.
And it has a little.
It's got a zip closure here on the side, like a little zip pocket. It's got the blue tick lining in there too, blue and white, but it's kind of hard to see.
I mean, this one has it's kind of a little as a call like a baby hand tag. Look at that, so small.
Baby hang tag, yeah.
And then look at the back and
it's got the creed on the back.
You don't see it,
You can't
right?
see it super easily.
Yeah, but it has a creed in the back.
We can see it. It's just
Like the
you can't
coach
see
stamps with information, like
Just
you know
the
the serial
creed.
number and the creed. They call it creed.
I'm kind of opening these blindly because I can't see what they are obviously until I open them. Okay, so we got a strap and we got a pocket purse. So this is a pocket purse. It's white. You could carry it as a clutch, or you could attach the shoulder strap to the side hardware pieces. I'll do that real fast. So you just attach it like this, and then you could wear it as a shoulder bag. So that's the pocket purse.
That's the box for the pocket purse.
There you go. Thank you. Okay.
And what color is it?
White.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
White.
It kind of matches my top.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's nice. Like,
This one does it have a hand tag?
I don't think so.
But
I
it's
have a couple. I have like 4 white or bone pocket purses up there in the corner. So some of them, if you want one with a hang tag, I'm sure we have one that has it.
But it's very good condition, huh?
Yeah. Okay. So next we have the Austin bag in the rare color Bordeaux. This is also got a crossbody strap here. It's just beautiful. And the color is Bordeaux, so it's kind of like a nice wine color. It's very beautiful. Okay, so next we have this beautiful casino bag. This is a really cute one. Yeah, it's got a top handle and a crossbody strap. It's really cute, and it's got the matching hang tag. Okay, so now we'll move on to the larger boxes. Okay, this one's pretty nice. This is a station bag. It's got a top handle up here, but it still has tissue paper wrapped around it. And it comes with a detachable strap as well. So you
What color is it?
black.
Okay,
So you could
black.
attach the strap here to these hardware pieces, so you could wear it as a shoulder bag.
Come with a handbag? Yeah, handbag.
Yeah, and it comes with a hang tag, or you could carry it by the top handle. And it also comes with the price tag, so wasn't used. Are you hiding?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Nice.
So we got some little pouch with papers in it that Coach did. I think from probably the New York City factory. It looks like a really old registration form, registration card.
What bag is this?
I think it's called a riding bag, and we got, the little
Riding.
pouch.
Oh, the riding, like rider?
Paperwork. A riding bag, like to ride a horse.
Oh,
I
right.
think it's called a riding bag, if I remember
Yeah.
correctly. But
Hey,
yeah,
look.
it's an older bag.
That's
Has a
pretty
little
cool.
buckle on the front.
Oh,
and
nice. It's
It
beautiful.
has a shoulder strap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shoulder strap, yeah.
Yeah.
So can you see, can I
Yeah,
put
you
it?
can, of course. Yeah, it's just got like a little belt buckle. I mean, just a buckle. It's not a belt, obviously, it's a bag, but you know what I mean.
Can you show it? Great.
Yeah, and
Nice.
this one looks like navy to me.
Navy?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Sometimes it can be kind of hard to tell between navy and black.
But this one's looking like navy, okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Just a couple more left here. This is one we just got in recently. This is the compact pouch. So a nice turn-lock bag, and it comes with a crossbody strap. So you could wear it as a crossbody bag.
British tan.
It's British tan, yeah.
That's a color.
Yep.
Okay, great.
This is a nice bag as well. This is, I think, the Legacy East-West Compartment bag. I believe that's the name. And it comes with a adjustable strap, so each side is adjustable, as you can see. It's good wear it as a shoulder bag. And it comes with some paperwork here, a little booklet, and then the registration card, it looks like. And yeah,
Can you model again? How do you, what it looks like?
yeah.
Okay, good, thank you.
It's a little short to be a crossbody, so I would say it's more of a shoulder bag.
Okay.
Yeah, and it
Beautiful.
comes with a zip closure on the top here, and then it's got two compartments here and here that are like large pockets on the sides. And then it has at least one pocket on the inside, so it's a really nice bag. So yeah, that's the Legacy East-West Compartment bag. So here's the last one. This is a department store box, I believe. We saved one of the best for last. This is our Stewardess Bag. I believe this is from the original New York City factory, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
It's a beautiful Stewardess bag. It's a shoulder bag, as you can see. And the Stewardess bag has purse feet on the bottom, which is really nice because it kind of elevates the bag when you set it down.
What color is this?
Black.
Black.
Yeah.
And it has a tone black in the front.
Yeah,
too.
it's a turn lock bag,
Yeah.
as you can see.
Yep. It's
Yeah.
very big in size. Beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful. So it's got multiple pockets, smaller one here, a larger slip pocket, and then a zip pocket along the back. Oh, and it has some paperwork in here. It's got the registration card. This one has the New York City address on it for the registration card, and then it's got the little pouch with the little papers inside that talk more about Coach as a brand.
We have a few more, right? We have a few more, but not in the box.
We have more station bags. We have a
No,
really cool one.
no,
I mean, stewardess bags.
Storage bag. We have this one, black.
Yeah.
We have this one in what
That
color?
one's burgundy.
Burgundy, yeah.
Yeah.
And we have a couple more in black.
Yeah, we have
This one,
we have
brown.
one over there that's new Italics too.
Oh,
Yeah, we have
another
some
one.
really great stewardess bags.
Oh yeah, we have this one
If
over
you're looking
here.
for one.
Yeah, this one. also.
Yeah, we had another.
But not without the bags. This one is.
But it's new with tags, right? One of them is new with tags. Maybe it's not this one.
I don't know.
Anyway, I know we have a new with tags one somewhere.
Doesn't matter. But yeah.
Oh, okay. So I guess
Yeah.
that's not the new with
Yeah.
tags one, but one of them.
Yeah.
We have it somewhere.
Yeah.
You can find it on our store.
Yes.
But yeah. So.
But the only one with the bags is that one.
This one comes with the box, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, so that's all. Those are all of our bags that
Mm-hmm.
are in boxes that we could unbox for you today. We might get more in the future, but right now this is what we've got, so we wanted to share it with you guys. Everything that we showed you today is in our online store, so I'll link all the bags below as well as a link to our online store if you wanted to check out any of the other bags here that we have. They're all in our store.
They're all in the stores.
Yeah, everything you see, except this one is my personal bag, but
Yeah,
anything
that
else is in our online store. So
Yes.
we also have that cute little orange one up there that like reminds me of a pumpkin. So since it's almost
She's talking
Halloween,
about
yeah,
this. The
the
pumpkin.
pumpkin bag.
No, this is an ergo, right? Mini
Yeah, it's a
ergo.
mini ergo.
In
Yeah.
tangerine, also in great
It's a
condition.
good like fall color.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, okay.
Thank you.
so
Thank
much,
you for
and
watching.
thank you for your time, Mr. CEO. We'll see you in our next
Bye.
video.
Thank you.
I don't know where my thing is to turn it off. Thank you.
You gonna turn it off?
That'll turn off. Can you go push the button?
You're like the water.